Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share with you my thoughts on this amazing camera. It's perfect for professionals on the go, and I think you're gonna love it. The Canon G7X is a game changer. Let me tell you why. It's a compact digital camera designed to fit in your pocket, and that's what I love about it. You can take it anywhere, and it's so easy to use. Whether you're a professional photographer or just a hobbyist, this camera is perfect for capturing life's special moments. Now, let's dive into the specs, because this is where it gets really interesting. The Canon G7X features a 20.1 MP sensor, which is amazing for capturing high-quality images. It also has a 4.2x zoom lens, which is great for getting up close and personal with your subject. The UHD 4K 30p video is stunning, and the 20 frames per second shooting is perfect for capturing fast-paced action. The f/1.8-2.8 aperture is great for low-light conditions, and the optical stabilizer helps to reduce camera shake. All these features combined make this camera a powerhouse. I'm also impressed with the ISO range of 125 to 12,800, which allows for great flexibility in different lighting conditions. The 3-inch touchscreen LCD is also a great feature, making it easy to navigate and adjust settings on the fly. In real-world use, this camera is a beast. It's so easy to whip out and start shooting, and the images are always stunning. I've used it to capture everything from portraits to landscapes, and it's performed flawlessly. The compact size makes it perfect for travel, and the image quality is on par with some of the best DSLR cameras out there. I've also used it to capture video, and the 4K footage is incredible. The camera's autofocus system is also impressively fast and accurate, making it easy to capture sharp images of moving subjects. One of the things that really sets this camera apart is its ability to handle a wide range of shooting situations. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or low-light conditions, this camera can handle it. The image stabilization system is also incredibly effective, allowing you to capture sharp images even when hand-holding the camera. I've also been impressed with the camera's battery life, which can easily last a full day of shooting. Overall, I'm giving this camera an 8 out of 10. It's an amazing tool for any professional photographer. The compact size and high-quality images make it a must-have for anyone who wants to take their photography to the next level. The only thing that keeps it from being a perfect 10 is the lack of a viewfinder, but the touchscreen LCD makes up for it in many ways. So, if you like this review, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Take care, and happy shooting.